Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily use OdooCRM. The first thing that you want to do is when you're going to enter OdooCRM, you just click here Start Now, it's free. Now if you already own the account guys, completely skip this step. Here, what you have to do is like add first name and last name. So I'll go Marcus Tonelius. I'm going to add my email address right here and company name. Then I will add a number. And then I'm going to change the country, language, and you have to choose also company size. I have 2 employees, primary interest, use it in my company. And then what you have to do is just click here, Start Now. Now let's just wait until we're gonna access Odoo. And now, in the moment, what you have to do first is to like activate your account here. Click to activate your database and password. I'm going to add a password here, activate database. And then when I would like refresh it, here I am. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is what you have to click on is CRM. And now what you can do and how it actually all works. So when you're going to click on a CRM, the first thing that you have to do is to create opportunity on the top left. So you can go on the top left, create opportunity, and then you have to add organization contact, and you have option to like choose from the existing ones, or you can have an option to have for your existing. So I will click here and write, let's say Marcus contact, but as I can see, there isn't any Marcus contact. So I will click here create, and voila, here I have Marcus contact, Marcus contacts opportunity, email address, phone. So I would add it right here, phone number, and expected revenue, let's say 1000. Then I would simply click add. Voila. And this is how we created our first opportunity. And now what you can do is to take your opportunity and move it, let's say, to qualified. And then what I can do also is I can schedule an activity for this contact or for the opportunity. So I would click here, schedule an activity. So now is the question how we can actually schedule activity. Here, I would have activity type if it's a to-do, if it's a call, if it's a meeting, or if it's email or upload document. So this would be meeting, or this would be call, or email. Summary, discuss proposal, assigned to me on right side, and then I can have like, okay, I will have to write to, let's say, discuss proposal, and you can edit the text here as you can see, and then you would click schedule, and voila, this is where you can also add like the stars here. You can of course click on your opportunity, and you're gonna see that, okay, you can mark it won, you can mark it lost, you can enrich it, then Marcus contact opportunity right here, customer. You're gonna see the planned activities right here, what I have to do when you would scroll down below, and today what was actually happening. Now right here, what I can do is to go and move this to qualified on the right side. And on the last thing, you're gonna see the proposition. And then I can simply click mark one. Go, 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 congrats for your first deal. Now again, when I would click on a CRM, I see that it's 1. And this is pretty much how you do it. Now, the next thing is that how you can generate leads and how you can actually do it. So what you have to do is to click here next to the create, generate leads. And now, what do you need? 3 companies, industry, let's say insurance, state, okay, we have country Slovakia, sales team sales, salesperson me, and I can have default tags. And you're gonna choose how many companies I need, and I would click here, generate leads. Then I would just wait and look at this. It automatically added opportunities for me in my pipeline. So you see that, okay, this is sociálna poisťovňa, and I can have the option to switch stages here. When I would click here on the top right, you would see these numbers, and it gives you option to switch between your opportunities, between your contacts. And then I can simply see the internal notes. I can send a message. I see the estimated revenue, the sectors, the employees, and I can start calling, etc. So this is pretty much how it works with the CRM. And this is what you can do and how you can generate those leads. Now, the next thing is my pipeline. That's what I showed you right now. On the right side, you would see filters, group by, favorites. You have option to see it as a Kanban view or a list view of your opportunities, contacts, name, emails. Then you would have a date, like what is actually happening. Then you see right here the measures, like the revenue, etc. Then I would see also some statistics on the right side, and it's kind of moving. And then you're gonna see also, again, the measures, close to date by week. You can view the dashboard. Dashboard is like analytics. This is really great to have and to see that what is actually happening, with your leads and with your CRM. You can view the map, of course, and you can see the activity. So this is what you can find here. Now let me show you how you can easily, when you would click on pipeline, here it is, my activities. You can always create activities right here. So when I showed you, you can create the activity directly on your pipeline. But of course, when you would click on the sales, you would click my activities. You can create activity right here. And what is it actually about? So you can add opportunity. Which one is it? So let's say YouTube, expected revenue, probability, let's say 50%. And then customer, email, and everything. So we can have it right here. And this is how we can have your own activities. So, but I have also, look at this, Marcus contact opportunity. What is actually happening? And next activity discuss proposal. So this is where you can create activities. And I want to show you how we can easily click on customers here. And I'm going to show you how we can simply add a customer in CRM. So I would click here, create. And then you have option to add individual or company. So if I'm going to have individual, let's say this would be Marcus contact 2, and company. If you didn't create company yet, you can create straight away here, or you can first create a company and then add individual. So I can simply just write Sun company, and I can click here, create Sun company. Then what I have to do is to choose a job position, sales manager. Then I would have a phone, mobile, email right here. So phone, website link, title, tags, and you can add tags. And then you're gonna have options to add contacts and addresses, sales and purchases, internal notes. So this is pretty much how we can do it. And then what you have to do is go to top left and click save. So I can simply click contact address and add contact, invoice address, delivery address, other addresses, or private address. Save and close. And then I can go to top left and click save. So as you can see, it's really simple and really easy to do and use. What I want to show you next is when you would go to the settings, you would see also the documentation, preferences, as your email, changing the photo here. That's what you can change to. Auto account. So you would find your documents here. So that's how we do it. When I'm going to click on a CRM again, I can also click on settings here. And I want to show you one thing that you can to edit the leads here, the recurring revenues, etc. Not much to change, but this is pretty much how we can do it. Now we can, of course, edit the stages here. This is what I want to show you next, is how we can simply edit the stage. So you would come here and you're going to see the new qualified proposition. First thing, you can simply take the new or proposition and move it as much as you want. The next thing is that you can see, and let's say the proposition needs to be presentation. So I would click here on the settings, edit the stage here, and stage name would be not proposition but presentation. And follow that in pipeline and requirements. Then let's click save, and voila, our presentation, our proposition is changed to presentation. And this is pretty much how we can do it. Now, when you would click here on a configuration and settings, this is that we already were there. So you can configure it. Sales teams, you can simply create a sales team and add team members right here. So we'd click again to configuration, sales teams, and create a sales team. And you can add team members right here. Create and name, email address. You are inviting a new user, as you can see, and you can invite someone right here. And then that's pretty much it. Then you're going to see also the activity types here, like what kind of activity type you want. So when I would go on the sales in my pipeline and I can schedule an activity, you're going to see these activities right here. What you can do is go to configuration, then simply click on activity types and create another activity type right here. Then under configuration, you're going to see also the pipeline tags that you can add and choose, so we can filter everything by tags. So let's say I would have a job with construction company, I can have a tag construction, and then I would see it always here. Lost reasons, again, I can add my own lost reasons, that it's going to be too expensive, we don't have people skills, not enough stock, and then not interested, not right now, many reasons, whatever you want. Then I would have the lead mining requests, and I can create it right here. What do you need? And these are the requests that you can have. So that's what you can do. Now the next thing, the last one, I'm going to show you how you can use reporting in Odoo. So here I would click on reporting, pipeline. And this is like a dashboard here, and you would see how it actually working out for you. New, won, win-loss ratio, all the important numbers. And then you're gonna see also the activities here, and it's like bugging out right now. So I would click measures, and like when you're gonna schedule your activities, you would find it right here. So when I would come here, my activities, create activity, and this is for the opportunity. And yep, so thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions about Odoo CRM, let me down below in comments. This was an Odoo CRM tutorial, how to use Odoo CRM, Odoo CRM guide, Odoo CRM tutorial, Odoo CRM beginners tutorial. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.